17317 Hoover. Change locks and master locks on the front. Into the house. They left the house pretty decent. It's not in bad shape at all. A little bit of trash, not much. Need to paint the bathroom, clean and disinfect the bathroom. Minor work in this house, mostly just a little bit of paint, and maybe the carpets need to be replaced. The carpet has like indoor outdoor carpet, which is not the best. Kitchen, probably need to paint the kitchen. Got some nail holes. Need a minor stuff. Into the basement. House has been winterized. I disconnected the water meter. The basement walls will need to be painted. They left some boxes and trash downstairs. Furnace and water heater are in the house, which will be taken out. House is actually in decent shape. Minor repairs, like I said, to get this house back in shape. Well, this duplex, I should say. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Need a blind in the bedroom. Carpet, I mean, we might be able to get away with the carpet. It's up to the owner. I mean, it's not in bad shape, considering probably get $400 or $500 rent for this. And this is 17313 Hoover.